Most websites don't understand why links are so important in SEO. There are many changes that occur in SEO field, but one thing that is still the most important in SEO is links. Whether you have a link on your website or other website links on your website, both are important. There is a direct connection between the quantity of links and how much traffic your websites receive. For small businesses, more links equals more search traffic equals more customers. When you acquire links from other websites, make sure you focus on quality links. But what do we mean by quality links? When you get a link from a website that Google trusts and has a higher audience, it is a quality link. Most quality websites have high domain authority, which in simple words means that Google trusts them more, so they have a better chance to rank on search results. If you get backlinks from this type of website, then you have a higher chance to rank top on search results. The more links that you have leading to your site, the more often search engine bots will crawl over your site and find and index the content on your website. It doesn't mean you should not get links from medium and small-sized websites, but your main goal is to get quality links from trusted websites, because the more high-quality links you have, the more likely you will rank on search results. This also means that internal links are important. Internal links are links on your site that lead to other pages on the same site. A search engine may end up on your site from an external link, but if you have internal links set up properly, it will continue to crawl and index additional pages on your site. Links also tell search engines that your content is valuable because other people have linked to it. In this course, we're going to focus on which type of links are the most valuable and how to gain as many of them as possible. Aside from gaining traction from search engines, links also play an important role in getting human beings to find and consume the content on your site. The more quality links that point to your site, the more visitors you'll likely receive.